Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing something we haven't done in a long time. We're doing a premium diamond painting haul. Just one diamond painting. I didn't go crazy buying a bunch. I just saw one that caught my eye on Dreamer Designs, and I had a coupon and whatnot, so I got it for not a bad price, so I decided to pick it up. And it came in. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys. Still has the plastic on it and everything. I haven't cheated and went in the box before I showed you guys. This is a round drill. At least that's what I remember ordering. In case you haven't seen Dreamer Designs, it comes in this canvas bag. It's wrapped really pretty purple ribbon. And just gonna roll it back on itself. And so I'm going to show it to you now from top to bottom. It's this cute, like, purple hair girl with rosy cheeks. I love this. And a puppy. And it's weird, guys, because, you know, I don't really like diamond painting animals. I'm not really big into doing animals, but I mainly got it because I thought the little girl was really, really cute. This has 63 colors. It's a round drill. The name of this canvas is called Dreamer and Her Pal by Clara Joe. This is a 40 by 60. In case you need it in inches, 15.7 by 23.6. Again, this is a Dreamer Designs painting. So look at it again. Bring you down. Drill filled is very, very clear. Clear symbols and everything. Much to be expected. Looks like there's areas. I also picked this because it looked like it would have had a lot of color blocking, which it does. I'm really excited about that. In your Dreamer Designs comes a kit, comes an instruction how to diamond paint. And a code, 15% off your next purchase. And your sticker sheet. Here's a better picture. Here's the sticker. Isn't she cute? The puppy's very cute too, but she's very adorable. And here are our drills. They're bagged up very nicely. I'm not going to unbag these because I separate these from, you know, the canvas, and I just want them to be well kept. We do have some ABs over here, some purple ABs, some blue ABs, some green ABs, and some light blue ABs right here. I think there is a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's one that's DD something, which may be another specialty drill, maybe a fairy dust drill or something. I'm not sure, but when we come to that. Oh no. Oh yes, it's fairy dust drill. Okay, so there are 2 blue ABs. There's a purple AB. It looks like 2 purple ABs, so we don't see the purple AB. And this green right here is the fairy dust. This is fairy dust right here. In case you don't know what a fairy dust drill looks like, it's like with mica powder. It's a light shimmer, and they are much easier to use than ABs in my opinion, because they don't stick to your putty or wax or whatever you're using in your pen. They don't stick and cling on to it. I love working with fairy dust drills. And let's go over the kit. You get a nice little canvas velvet bag. This is just in case you guys have never ordered from Dreamer Design and curious what would come in a kit. I'm just showing you, even though I think I have shown a couple Dreamer Designs on my channel already. So you get a bag full of extra baggies. You get a nice set of tweezers. Where's my other? Oh, I'm looking. There we go. And they're very sharp, so be careful. They're pointed tweezers. You get 2 squishies because you get 2 pens. Now, you get a regular stylus pen, which is a 1-placer right here. And then you get this specialty pen, which I think these are really, really cool. These particular tips are used for ABs and specialty drills. Mostly, I think, for ABs. I've used them with my Diamond Art Club ABs, and they work great. They work fantastic. And then let's see what else we get in the kit. You get a 3-placer. You get a straight piece. You know, if you're one of those people who like to straighten out your drills. And I'm assuming this is a 5 or a 6. A chunky 5 or 6. You get 2 circular plates of wax, purple wax. I always save the wax from premium companies because it's pretty good. And then you get a light purple medium large tray that pops open in the front to pour your drills out, and then it does snap. Whoa, it does snap back into place with a little bit of effort. There we go, for when you're using it. And then it also comes with this little doohickey right here, and this is what it's for. You can put it here and do 2 colors. Have I done that yet? Have I tried that yet? No, I have not. I'm kind of afraid to do something like that because I'm afraid my drills are going to get mixed up, but I think I've thrown away most of all these pieces, but I might just save this one just in case I ever decide to try it. And that's everything that comes in a Dreamer Designs kit. Just going to bag that up. And it's a little twisty bag. And there you go. So yeah, that's it, guys. Nice quick video. Sorry it wasn't uber long. I didn't have tons of diamond paintings to show you, but I've been really trying to behave with buying diamond paintings that I don't necessarily need. And I'm not trying to buy an unnecessary amount. If there is a nice one like this one, like a premium that I see once in a blue moon and I think it's cute and I have a coupon and this and that and I'm getting it for much cheaper, then maybe I'll, I consider buying it. But yeah. So let's just do one more look from top to bottom. I love her purple hair. She's so adorable. And that's it, you guys. That's it for today. So if you are new here and you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified of any new videos I upload. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed your time here today. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.